The case of Khral newspaper chief editor Avaz Zeynalov was reopened in Baku Grave Crimes Court under the chairmanship of Judge Ramella Lahverdiyeva. Witness Aydin Haydarov, the owner of the Interauto joint stock company, was met with objections from Avaz Zeynalov and other attendees and left the courtroom. Haydarov did not return despite of the judge's phone calls, saying he didn't feel well. Tax Ministry employee Shahin Askarli testified on the tax inspection conducted into activities of the Khral newspaper and the newspaper's tax evasion. Zeynalov deemed the results of the tax inspections unfounded. Zeynalov's lawyer Rashid Hacılı told the Objective TV that the inspection carried out by the Baku City Taxes Department is not based on facts. The trial will be reopened on October 11th, 12 p.m. Khral chief editor Avaz Zeynalov was arrested on October 26, 2011, based on a lawsuit brought by ex-MP Güler Ahmedova. Zeynalov is charged under Article 311.3.3 taking large bribe and 311.3.4 extortion.